How to change 5 GHz hotspot to 2.4 GHz on iPhone. If you want to change your iPhone's hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz for better compatibility with more devices, then here is how you can do it with just few simple steps. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Here you will find an option Allow others to join. Just enable this option. This will allow other devices to connect to your hotspot. Here you will also see an option called Maximum Compatibility with Toggle Switch. Simply turn this on. By default, your iPhone's hotspot operates on 5 GHz band, which provides faster internet speeds to connected devices. However, to use that speed, other devices must support 5 GHz band. When you enable maximum compatibility, your iPhone automatically switches to 2.4 GHz band. While this offers slower internet speeds, it works with wide range of devices. And that is how you can change your iPhone's hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz for better compatibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.